Welcome to PAM Distributing, your trusted source for professional-grade security solutions. Today we're unboxing our product of the month, the UNV OwlView Plus IP-C3634SE ADF 28K WP-I1. This is a high-performance 4-megapixel network camera built for commercial installs with advanced analytics and rugged durability. Right out of the gate, you'll notice the new side-opening box design. This lets installers open from the side and pull out the cables or begin programming in the box. A real-time saver on the job site and great for staging before installation. Inside is a 4-megapixel camera with a 1.8-inch CMOS sensor capable of up to 2688 by 1520 resolution at 30 frames per second. Compress video efficiently using Ultra 265, 8265, H.264, and MJPEG codecs for optimal storage management. Its LightHunter technology with WISE ISP imaging ensures 24/7 full-color video even in low light. The camera also includes intelligent perimeter protection, cross-line, intrusion, enter and leave area detection with target classification that reduces false alarms caused by leaves, birds, or lighting. For more advanced installs, it supports people flow counting and crowd density monitoring with scene matching and color retrieval to help you customize analytics per project. And with true 130 decibel WDR, the camera handles strong light and contrast environments with clarity. This unit is built tough. IK10 vandal resistance and IP67 weatherproof protection mean it's ready for outdoor deployment. It supports an onboard micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes for edge storage and includes alarm and audio I/O with a built-in mic. Pair it easily with UNV or OnVIF compatible NVRs or VMS systems for centralized management. Power options include PoE or 12-volt DC, giving flexibility depending on your infrastructure. Whether it's perimeter monitoring, parking lots, retail stores, or industrial sites, this camera offers installers smart analytics and high-quality imaging in a rugged package. And the new packaging design starts your workflow off right. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the OwlView Plus IP-C3634SE ADF28K WP-I1. Available now at PAM Distributing, your trusted source for professional-grade security solutions.